Uh, Hashtag Japanese English to Visaya. Word of the day, shiatsu. Shirt, shiatsu. It's delicious. Who will say, Tisu, sabi saya, kinilame, Shuiga, arimasan, at lakso, sabi saya, kini, kulagasen. Shirt, shiatsu. Kuriwa, nesuge, edubulke, sabi saya, kini, nasubran, umluto. Kato, tihei, arimasu, abulpi, enkas, sabi saya, akong bayaran, nihei, ugkas, kuride, si myself, I decided to give this arigato.